Okay, it's time for my third night on the job. Here we go. Hello? Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long. I mean, they usually move on to other things by now. I'm not implying that they die. That's not what I meant. Anyway, I better not take up too much of your time. Things start getting real tonight. I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and don't want to get stuffed into a Redbird suit, try playing dead. Go limp. Then there is a chance that they'll think you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you. I wonder how that would work. Yeah, scratch that. It's just not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side. Alright, let's go check the cameras. Well, what a surprise. Bomb and Stella are gone already. It's like Chuck is staring at me. Wow. Okay, so there's Stella. And there's Bomb. Okay, everything's going just fine. Okay. They're not too close to my office, so that's good. Okay. Let's shut the cameras again. Oh, there's Bomb. I forgot they're active. I can hear that Stella's in the kitchen. Okay, Chick's about to leave. Oh my god. Right at my door. Okay, this must mean I should check this light. Oh, yeah, she's there. Shut the door. There we go. Oh crap, shut the door. There we go. Alright, now we can open this door. Okay. Now let's see if Stella left. Let's see if she left. Come on. Okay. Okay, she's not there. Open the door. Good. Alright, where's my camera? Oh crap, I lost my camera. Where is it? Okay, I found my camera. Let's just check the cameras. Bomb's at the spiral closet. It's just fine. And Stella's in the kitchen. Well, I think everything's fine now. What was that sound? I need to check my cameras. Where are they? Looking at me. Stella's in the restroom. I haven't checked out this camera in any of the nights, but whatever. Bomb's at the end of the hall corner. But what was all that laughing? I gotta check my cameras. What's going on? Oh crap, no. Dang it. Sorry. OMG. Redbird is gone. Oh my god! Hey! Oh my god, get your ugly face out of the camera, you little punk! Ugh. Okay, I'm a little worried. I should shut the door. Okay. Alright, is the Bomb at the door? No, he's not at the door. Okay. Alright. Okay, Bomb was back in the spiral closet. Oh crap, I forgot about Chuck. Okay, just shut the door anyway. I don't want to check the camera for it. There we go. Is Redbird gone? Okay, Stella went back in the dining area. And I think Red's like hiding from the camera. He's right beside the camera. You can see him a little, but not really. Let's check if anyone's in this door. Let's see. Okay, Stella's not there. So I can open this door. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this light. Yep, bomb's there, bomb's there. Okay, alright. Alright, how much power? 58%. I guess that's fine. Oh crap, I forgot about Chuck. He's about to leave. Okay, wait, I can hear some music, and Stella's in the kitchen. Okay. It sounds like both Red and Stella are at the kitchen. Wow, okay. Hey, Chuck's gone. I don't need to worry about him, because I already got the door shut. Yep, of course he goes knocking on the door. Bomb must be gone by now. Okay, Bomb's gone. Alright, good. Now, let's see where he is. Bomb went in the dining area. In the hall. Stella went in the bathroom. Chuck is staring at me. Okay. Quickly shut the door! Phew, that was a close one. Jeez, Redbird, you're scaring me. Yeah, Twitch all be angry if you want. Moan if you want. Jeez. Whatever. Let's check the cameras. Chuck's about to leave. There's Bomb, and there's Stella. Why is Stella always moving back or something? Whatever. Okay, everything's going fine. And oh crap! I forgot about the power. Now my door's open, I can't do anything. Okay, I'm ready, Red. I'm ready for your song. Oh crap. No! Ah! Well, third night finished. Beat it. Red is not amused.